In the vibrant heart of Jamaica, where the sun kisses the sea and the hills sing with the wind, there was a legend whispered among the trees, the legend of Lucilda, the Jamaican goddess of harmony and transformation. Long ago, when the world was young, the islands were plagued by chaos, the storms raged without end, and the land was torn apart by discord. The people cried out for help, but no mortal could tame the fury of nature. Then, from the depths of the ocean, Lucilda emerged. She was radiant, with skin that shimmered like the Caribbean sun and eyes so bright that it reflected the deep blue of the sea. Lucilda possessed a unique power. She could communicate with the elements. She would dance upon the land, her steps calming the storms, her voice soothing the waves. With her staff made from the sacred mahogany tree, she forged a bridge between humans and nature, teaching harmony and respect. One day, an alien spacecraft descended from the stars, seeking to harness the island's mystical energy. The extraterrestrial visitors believed they could control the island's power to dominate the universe. But Lucilda, sensing their intent, summoned the spirit of the wind and the fire. She created a barrier of luminous energy, shimmering like the northern lights, encasing the island and freezing the spacecraft in time. The aliens, awestruck by her power, realized that the island's true strength was its spirit, the unity of its people and nature. They agreed to leave, vowing to respect the sacred balance Lucilda protected. From that day, Lucilda became a symbol of resilience and harmony, her legend inspiring generations. Even now, under the glow of the full moon, some say you can see her silhouette dancing among the misty hills, a guardian watching over Jamaica, forever a goddess of transformation and peace. And so, in the rhythm of reggae beats and the whisper of the breeze, the spirit of Lucilda lives on, reminding us that true power lies in harmony with the world around us.